Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the Bambu Lab AMS HT and we're going to play What's in the Box. Let's get this over with. We've got foam, one AMS HT, one quick start guide, one AC adapter. Unlike the AMS2 Pro, the AMS HT includes the AC adapter. One pack of desiccant beads, two packs of desiccant beads, one 6-pin to 6-pin connector. This 6-pin to 6-pin connects the AMS HT directly to the printer or daisy chains it to an AMS2 Pro. This AC adapter powers the AMS HT for drying. Hiding inside the AMS HT are PTFE tubes. You get one long one and two short ones. To recap, our final tally is one long and two short PTFE. The quick start guide, the 6-pin to 6-pin cable, the power cord, two desiccant packs, and the AMS HT itself. I'm Mr. Greg. This is the AMS HT, and this is what's in the box.